Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to install Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open Play Store on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now go ahead and type in Roblox. Once you're done, tap on the search icon at the bottom right of your keyboard. Tap on Roblox. Now go ahead and tap on the install button. The installation process may vary according to your internet speed. Once the installation process is over, you can tap on the play button. And that's it. Now you have successfully installed Roblox on your mobile device. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.